Hello everyone, I'm Georgia from GetSite Control. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a professional looking promotional email campaign for your Shopify store. We'll craft a promo email and then I'll show you how to select the audience and send it out. For this tutorial, I'll use an app called GSC Email Marketing Pop-ups. You can find it in the Shopify App Store. It has a free subscription plan with 2,000 complimentary emails, so you can try it without any cost. Without further ado, let's get started. After you have installed GSC in your store, open the dashboard and go to the Contacts tab. Here, you can import your existing contacts from your Shopify store or other sources. All new subscribers from your Shopify store will be automatically added to this list. Once that is done, move on to the Broadcast tab. Here, you can create and send out email campaigns and newsletters for your subscribers. In this tutorial, we'll create a promo email for a limited time sale on the bestsellers in our store. First, let's create a new broadcast. From this screen, you can choose a template for your email campaign. You can keep it as it is and make minimal adjustments to the text, or you can use it as a base for your design and achieve something like this. Let me quickly show you the email editor so that you know where to look to customize the template. From this drop-down, you can add different elements to the email. For example, I'm going to add a countdown timer to add a sense of urgency to my promo. Whichever element you add to the email, you can fine-tune its appearance using the right side menu. So the colors, edge rounding, spacing, etc. In this email, we are displaying our best-selling items, for which we offer a coupon code. So naturally, the most important element of the email is the product cards. You can manually choose the items to display, or even better, you can use the dynamic feature to automatically select the products from your store. I'm going to choose bestsellers for this tutorial, but you can also choose to display the products that are on sale at the moment, new arrivals in your store, products from a specific collection, or products that your customer may like based on their purchase history. Make all the adjustments you want to the email design. On the screen, you can now see some of the adjustments I made to mine. I have added menu items and changed the layout of the menu. I have added an image at the top of the email. I have edited the text, reduced the edge rounding of all the blocks, and I have changed the background color. Enter a subject and preview text and fill out the sender information. You can send the broadcast from GetSite Control's shared domain, or you can verify your own domain if you've got one and use that instead. Either way, make sure to add a reply to address. You can also test the email to see what it would look like in your subscriber's inbox. When you are done designing the email, save and close it. It's now time to select the recipients of the email. You can select your audience from preset segments or create your own custom segment by applying conditions. For example, you can target customers from specific countries, customers who spent a certain amount of money on your store, or customers who interacted with your emails in the past. For this tutorial, I have decided to send a broadcast to all my contacts, so I'm not going to select any conditions. Okay, now let's move on to actually sending out the broadcast. There are a couple of options to choose from. You can send the broadcast to all your selected contacts at the same time, right now or at a later date and time, or you can send it at a specific time in your subscriber's time zone. Last option, you can take advantage of the smart sending feature to send the email to your subscribers at the time they're most likely to engage, based on their past behavior and an AI-powered prediction. This is what I'm going to choose. The only thing left to do is hit the start button. After your broadcast is completed, you'll see detailed statistics on how many of the contacts opened the email, clicked on a link, which link they clicked, and so on. You can then use that information to create email campaigns with related products based on what your contacts showed interest in. And that's it. That concludes our tutorial. Now go set up a promotional campaign for your Shopify store.